First of all, I feel so blessed to be present here among all the educators, teachers, and young entrepreneurs. It's so heartwarming to see how India is growing, and we all together are making the future of our country. So congratulations to each and every one of you who have received the awards today. I really feel grateful and blessed that I am part of the National Education Forum and part of their journey, which is so wonderful. Like, you know, it's one India, and seeing all the educators from different parts of the state, we all have to move together towards making the best future for our children and leave the generation with not just the way we have been taught. And I think we have to stop that now, just, you know, looking into their marks, grades, certificates, and degrees, because the world is changing. And we have to, I personally believe that every child is gifted, every child is unique, and we have to identify the passion, what is there inside them. And accordingly, we create a curriculum which is aligned with their inner being, so that when they grow up, they do everything with a lot of happiness, joy, and that brings success to them. And the way things are moving globally, it's very, very important that we develop the skills in the children, like whether it's communication, whether it's AI tech, digital literacy, money management, financial literacy, so that there is a holistic development for every child. And it's a wonderful, beautiful mission that NEF has started, and we all together have to be part of this journey. Not just the teachers, but also the parents. We all are parents, but we also have to educate our parents so that they also do not put their unfulfilled dreams and expectations on their children. And our children have to come out with the societal conditioning and parental pressure and be on their own unique path, so that, you know, they live a very, very happy, successful, and fulfilling life ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am.